objective, we are going to apply scientific ideas about magnets, or at least that's going to be my goal for you guys by the end of this. So to give you some inspiration, I've compiled some examples of inventions that use magnets and just fun magnet stuff. So the first one I want to show you is a train that's in Japan. It's a bullet train. It's called the maglev train because it uses magnets to elevate the train and keep it moving. So it does not run on traditional train tracks. The bottom is made of magnets, and then the bottom of the train, the underside of the train, is made of magnets. And so it levitates or gently hovers over the track to move and to be pushed forward, to propel forward. It's currently holds the record for being the fastest train in the world, and I'm going to show you a video clip.
軌道車両とも営業線の仕様になっているということで、一層とですね乗り心地の安定性というものが良くなったなとこのように思っています。こういう中から将来の500キロの安定走行につながっていくんだろうと思います。
So I wish that video was more up close so you guys could see the train levitating better. But so it's a train that runs not on traditional train tracks made of wood, but it uses electricity and magnets. So I thought that was pretty insane. I wanted to show you guys. And then the second example I want to show you are magnets that look like these. So they're not typical horseshoe magnets or fridge magnets, and these like round cylinder looking things, and these magnets are called cow magnets. Why are they called cow magnets? Because these are actually, they're real magnets that you feed to cows. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Miss Leahy, cows eat grass, not magnets. But these are meant to be eaten by cows because cows aren't the smartest. And yes, they eat grass, but cows are famous for eating anything you put in its path. So if there's little metal objects on the ground or maybe pieces of wire from the fence that have fallen astray and into the grass, cows will still eat it. So actually, farmers will feed the magnets to the cows for the goal for the magnet to stay in the cow's stomach, and then it will attract any metal object that the cow might have accidentally eaten, and that way it doesn't go through the cow and bust up his digestive tract. So here's an example. Here's the magnet out of the cow. Here's the magnet been taken out of the cow, so it's attracted all the metal objects from the cow. Okay, our third example is going to be one, it's going to be not as cool as the other ones I showed you, so I should have done that first. But this is a compass, and you've probably used a compass before, maybe in a previous science lesson in years past, or just in your personal free time. A compass uses a magnet to help you find your way north. So how does this work? Well, Earth in itself actually has a magnetic field, and so the magnet points to Earth's magnetic north. So the magnet in compasses points north where Earth's magnetic north field is. Now, I don't want you to get this confused with the North Pole because they're actually two different places. So we have the geographic location of the North Pole. That's, you're thinking of ice and snow and all that. And about 1,000 miles south of the snowy North Pole, there's the Earth's magnetic North Pole. And so the magnet on a compass points north and is used. And then we can use that to navigate. You can always know which direction you can travel in as long as you know which way is north. So for my activity for you today, or my challenge for you, is to think of a problem or a need that you could solve using magnets. So knowing what you know that magnets can attract or repel each other. You know that they can work without having to come into contact with each other. So those are a couple key things I would keep in mind when you attempt this activity. So step 1 would be think of a problem in school, like in a classroom or in your house that you need to fix, and then try to design something, or try to think of how you could incorporate magnets to fix that problem. Good luck!